Okay guys, here's a warning on how to fix your Sprinter taillight. Mine had a boatload of moisture in it. It literally was full of water up to here. And I thought it was the detailer that had done some work on the van, but I don't think it was because it looked like the water was there longer than that. Luckily, I don't know if you know this bottom light, even though there's a bulb there and it looks like it's connected, doesn't do anything on the passenger side in the United States. That is for the running fog light, rear fog light, and the only one that operates is the driver's side one. So here I am trying to fix this bulb and clean up all the connections. It was corroded because it was water sitting in here up to here, and the bulb doesn't do anything. So I kept trying to make it light. It didn't light. So anyway, I had all this moisture trapped in the lens and I couldn't figure it out. So in my genius maneuver, and here's your warning, I put rubbing alcohol inside it and it started to kind of work. And then it left residue, and I tried to get the residue out by using more, and then the lens exploded. And I'm not even sure why or how. What I think happened was the alcohol ate the weld or the seal, which probably was bad already. I mean, I think I probably was going to have to replace this anyway because it was collecting rainwater somehow. I'm not sure how. I looked everywhere for a way in and it didn't seem like it. It must have been the rubber seal where the electronics board meets up to the lens, the light board. You'll see when you disassemble it. I got another video on how to take that out if you need it. But anyway, my warning is do not use rubbing alcohol. So I used it, I sloshed it around there trying to wipe out the moisture droplets. I should have just left it in the sun for more hours because it was pretty much done. And there was a few moisture bubbles up here. Anyway, the alcohol blew the seal and the whole thing exploded, which is weird. It wasn't trapped in there. It just ate the seal and the plastic couldn't stand the flex, I guess, and it just started rupturing. So don't use rubbing alcohol. And I don't know. I don't even know why there was rainwater in it. It's a 22 van with 40,000 miles. It probably, lost a seal up here somewhere already, and I was going to probably be always chasing moisture in it. So that's my justification for buying a whole new one. I hope that helps. Talk to you guys later. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. Take care. See my other Sprinter fixes in my other Sprinter division or section. Take care.